And I've never made like a sad video with you guys. So in today's video, guys, it's pretty sad. Now it's about my life in battlecats. I might not post on this channel. I won't quit battlecats, but I might not play it as much as I will. So yeah, if you guys see me just go away in battlecats, then don't be surprised because, well, I'm actually in a break. So yeah, it's kind of sad, guys, because never actually went on a break. Now, I might not post on this channel for a long time, so I'm like linking a different channel to you guys. I'm linking a channel named Bri1011, 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 which is gonna be my old channel I transferred to this channel. Yeah, I'll subscribe to that channel if you guys want to see it work. Like and subscribe to complete the journey, and yeah. I'm scared I might make my battlecats account will be gone. So yeah, if you see me just go away, then I'm gonna break it. I'm just gone. But yeah, don't worry, guys. I'm still up and about for a couple of days, a couple of months, I would say, or so. But I'll probably go away till the end of the battlecats anniversary. I'll track my account and put it on my iPad or another one, and I'll link my account to there because like, yeah, it's hard. Yeah, I really want to do that stuff. So yeah, if you guys just see me go, then don't be worried. I'm just but that was a nasty defeat. I'll do a free continue. But yeah, it's pretty sad. I might not post on battlecats for a long time. So yeah, if you just see me go there, yeah, I already said. I already said that maybe I'll come back in a few months or days, but maybe I'll never come back. What do you know? But hopefully, it's also because of religion and stuff like that. So it's also because of that I won't be posting because of religion stuff like that. And I think that anyway. So yeah. So that's it. But yeah, yeah, Biden. Oh, that's nasty. There's all kinds of critters. But yeah, guys, if you just see me do it, and well, I already said that a bunch of times. But yeah, hopefully I will come back. Maybe if I don't, then well, yeah, I might post on that channel, 1011. If I don't, then I'm thinking I'm just gone. So yeah, I don't want my channel. The reason why I'm saying this is because I have very, very low, and I mean very low storage on this mobile. So yeah, I might transfer to computer. I might transfer to the iPad, but I will still be playing battlecats. But it's not on camera a lot. So yeah. Hopefully I just be alive. not posting for a long time. Because I really want to post, and I really want to not have any problems with like the current moment that's happening. So I don't want to have like some problems. I don't get a trigger. I did not die. But yeah. What is that? But I will be playing battlecats not on camera anymore. Well, not right now anymore, but like not anymore if I don't post anymore. So yeah. If I don't post for a long time, I'm still on battlecats. And you don't know, in the future I might go and do some tournaments if there is any battlecats. That'd be pretty cool if there was a battlecats tournament. If there is. I saw my friend Canned Soup. I don't. That doesn't even know. I saw my YouTuber, a fellow YouTuber, Canned Soup, talked about him. Talked about he entered a tournament. So maybe I can join the tournament in the near future. Like into the future. But yeah, let's wait until that moment. Yeah. Hopefully that will happen soon. It doesn't then. Yeah, I don't know, guys. So, I don't know why I'm mostly tracing over the stuff I said. But yeah. Let's just get into the video. Maybe even the last video. Hopefully not. Gotta get right fast. Alright, I'm just gonna grind some treasures. You guys can chill out. Yeah. Actually, I don't do some. Yes, normal. I don't know what that even is, bro. Please. Why not watching Captain Sauce? I usually watch Captain Sauce and Matt Shea sometimes because they're mostly my favorite YouTubers. But yeah. Oh, this is like the actual. Did I actually do this? Well, Temu. See that so many times and I hate it.
They don't really do a lot of damage, they just soak up a lot of damage. They're a delay. So we can just spam out a little bit of everything. I want to start stacking King Dragon. Something I haven't really done a whole lot of in this game. So
I don't know why I'm so endured in this game.
Oh, more aliens. Maybe I should get Miramizu. Let's just get Castaway out there for now. How are we doing, guys? That middle hippo still... Nope, not causing us any trouble. He's gone. Miramizu, you can get out there.
I don't know what I'm doing, so yeah, that has been completed a puzzle on Temu. Alright. Well, hopefully in the near future. Hopefully in the near future I get famous or so. But yeah, this is basically a dressing video of where I'll be if you guys don't see. Don't unsubscribe, guys. Like, if you do, I'm gonna be very sad. Because like unliking from your favorite YouTuber if he doesn't post for a long time, it's kind of a good reason, but like, what if they're advertising for you? Don't just keep that. And also don't still like people's posts. The reason why I'm saying this is because other YouTubers have gotten their code stealing. So yeah, I'm just telling you guys don't steal my code. Still other YouTubers that I'm kidding them. Don't steal other YouTubers' codes. This sorry. Yeah. I think when I hit user rate 1,300, I'll think, or I complete into the future, I'm going to do what was it called? Yeah, at Crazed Cat stage, I'm gonna do Dark Souls. That's what I'm gonna do. This Dark Souls is... You need a complete Dark Souls to be like a later gamer, a mid gamer, a true mid gamer. And I'm in like low mid gamer, by the way, guys. So yeah, that's my like rank for right now. Just low mid gamer. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Well, yeah. Basically, this video is just a huge addressing video about drama. Not drama, not anything drama. Just about where I'll be if I don't come. I hope I die a treasure unlock. You see this? And here it is. Ancient table, 44%. Cat base's defense is increased. Various danger route. Okay. Oh yeah. Do this way more. Into the future is boring. I'll also be grinding treasures. Not into the future treasures. Maybe sometimes I'll do some into the future treasures. Right now, like right now I'm doing into the future treasures. But I mean like other treasures. Talking about chapter 3 treasures. Chapter 3 treasures. The chapter 3 treasures are like, I need to finish the chapter 3 treasures. I maxed out chapter 1 and 2's treasures, but I didn't max out chapter 3's. What you need to get, you need to max out chapter 3's treasures to get, to defeat Dark Souls, aka Crazed Cat stage. So yeah, we have to do that. It's pretty boring, not gonna lie. It's basically that same, man. I got 2 treasures maxed out so far, so yeah, I need to do a lot of grinding. A lot. But yeah, so far it's, I'm doing good. But I already told you guys, I'm gonna be uploading on computer or what's it called? Computer or iPad or laptop maybe. I'll have a laptop, computer and iPad. So yeah, I'll be uploading on that sometimes because right now I'm right now on the edge of my journey. And at least we got praised Bahamut to level 20. That's good enough. But level 18 or 19. Maybe at the end of this video I'll try and... Oh yeah, at the end of yesterday's video, I reached the max limit for recording. So yeah, that's mostly the reasons. Because stuff like that will happen, and yeah, you guys will enjoy my videos too much. Hopefully not unsubscribe. I'd be very sad if you guys do. But yeah, you guys want to unsubscribe, right? Yeah, you guys want to unsubscribe. But yeah, stuff like that. Yeah. At least I finished chapter 3. That's good enough for me. I'm happy that I completed chapter 3. I was really happy because that was mostly a pretty big milestone. With my stuff. Oh, I just realized this. Hey, the cards are shuffled. Not really the cards are shuffled. Like, basically, right now I'm doing still the cat-based defense, which is the fourth treasure. I'm not doing the first treasure. The first treasure is pretty confusing because it's shuffled up levels. So the first treasure is some other levels, not China, and like it's not in a straight line. I'm very sure not like how Empire of Cats was. It's mostly different. So yeah, sometimes it will be straight line, or sometimes it won't. But yeah, most of the time it will be not in a straight line. Alright. Superior Bandit. Yay. Alright, Mongolia. I'll complete as much treasures as I can until Las Vegas, which is the level I'm stuck on currently. Nah, bro, I need to higher the volume. But you guys won't hear me that much. That's too loud. That's too loud. Now, I should cut off a lot of my videos. My sin. Alright, well, let's do this. Hopefully, at the end of the year, or at the end of the year of 2025, and at the end of the year of 2024, hopefully, I can get to Cats of the Cosmos. Because I really want to be a Cats of the Cosmos. I don't think I'll get it at the end of the year in 2024. Maybe at the end of the year, I'll maybe hit it at the end of the year in 2025. Yeah. Cats of the Cosmos Chapter 2 or Chapter 1. But I really want to get to Cats of the Cosmos because that's when you get into late game. And late game means that you're now higher than before. Higher than before, like you're now in like late gaming territory. You can fight the crazed king. You can fight any crazed level, and you can probably win or probably not. Mostly win and mostly not. So yeah, I really want to do that. And you get better cats. Bahamut's true form I heard is pretty cool, and it's not the same as it's gonna be. So like how I'm using Bahamut right now, it's gonna be a rusher, and Bahamut's tier is called Nuker, yeah, Nuker. So yeah, he's not gonna become a Nuker anymore. He's gonna become a rusher. I'm excited, but I'm not really excited that much because I'm very far away. I'm still into the future Chapter 1. But hey, I'll get there soon. I'll get there very soon. By very soon, I mean like a year. Hopefully that'll happen. If you guys just see me like end recording, then that's not me. That's the storage. And that the storage is full. I'll have to delete a lot of games. You guys definitely won't see me post any Roblox videos too much, or anymore. Not anymore, but too much. You won't see me post too much Roblox videos. Cause yeah, I deleted Roblox. I'm gonna be honest, but I still have that account, so I can still do it. So I can still like play Roblox, start up, and do it. Yeah. I have to start uploading more videos of Roblox. I'll have too much videos of Roblox uploaded on my channel right now. Yeah. So yeah, I will end recording like pretty soon right now. So yeah. Yeah, it's basically the video, and yeah, just a little addressing video of me just saying, well, I'm not gonna be uploading content and anything on my channel. I might end my battle video. And I might upload because for me, battlecats is getting a little hard, which I should have progressed on. I'm not a noob, but to the limit of hard where I have to complete the hardest stage in battlecats, or else I'm not as good as I used to be. So yeah, basically battlecats are getting way too hard and stuff like that. So yeah, I might stop playing battlecats even when I'm transferred to a new device. But hopefully that won't happen, and hopefully you'll be happy with battlecats and enjoy battlecats. Yeah, and stuff like that. Actually, I'm not gonna end recording. I'm gonna end recording when I did superior on Russia. So yeah. Hopefully that's my address. Maybe I'm just addressing. Hopefully I can beat Russia and start end this video. Oh yeah, I forgot to address something. So yeah, guys, I forgot to address one very important thing, and that was that I actually used to play battlecats. On the first episode, I lied to you guys and said that I've never played this game before. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys, but hopefully we can get behind it, because now I'm even better than I used to be on my old account. So yeah, happy about that. Oh yeah, also I thought about Tame. Tame, if you guys on my first video of battlecats, my first video ever, I talked about a guy named Tame. Tame is my best friend, if you guys don't know. We met in grade 3. Yeah, a long time ago. I'm in grade 6 now, so yeah. Pretty young as a battlecats YouTuber, so yeah. Stuff like that is happening with my life, so yeah. I'll actually do actually, what is happening right now? Oh, yes. Alright, Superfest is happening right now, so I'll do a round. I don't care if I don't. If I do, that would be really cool. Ooh, super rare. This guy. The link. I'm sending you to his storage button. What do you do? Known as the band show of Cat Stool, might freeze floating enemies. So this guy could have been useful in chapter 3 moon. I'm kidding, I'm using it. Should I? Ooh. I'm gonna flip a coin. Not flip a coin, but I have a TV remote here. If it lands on the top side, and if it lands on the top side means I'm exchanging this die for XP. Bottom side means I'm not, and I'm putting him into my loot, and I'm putting him in. Still, and I'm exchanging this die for XP. Best out of 5. Alright, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 3. That's I don't want to. This side could be really cool. Should I? Oh, the 10th is. I need to upgrade Bahamut to level 20. Well, Bahamut, it's not just Bahamut's in the video, so yeah. Sorry, Bahamut, but. No, should I 440 cat food? 440 cat food. 390 cat food, that's good. Hey, you don't know what I... No, that's 290. What? What is that? I'm getting new cats. Not upset about it. Not upset about it. I'm sending you storage, buddy. The massive damage to black. That's good enough for me. So yeah, I am getting you, buddy. Getting you. You need to obviously get more cats because I know how to collect them all. Well, I just got to 290. I was at 440, I'm very sure. But I don't know. Alright, I need to get these two extra super rare cats. I need a lot. Now I'm at 300. So yeah, kind of got paid back. But it's super fast though. So if I get a rare ticket, I'm definitely gonna spend it. Because, yeah, Superfest has 6 days left. In those 6 days, I must get at least one super rare. No, at least one uber super rare. Or one uber rare. Ticket. Maybe I won't. But yeah. Let me see. Can I even upgrade the helmet? What just happened? Oh no. Please. Here we go. Oh, here we go. I don't even have enough, so basically I was just doing that for him. Super rare. Yeah, we got delinquent. Ooh. And we got you. I bet I'm gonna be spending more on weightlifter cat because weightlifter cat. This guy, he's good, but I need to like need weightlifter cat to be a higher level because I need to use this guy. I actually might put him in my loadout permanently. I kind of have an uber carry going on. Who should I remove? I'm not removing Cat Machine. Cat Machine's staying. Same with Heavagit. And same with Bahamut. Valkyrie? Yeah. I'm not removing Valkyrie. I'll remove... What? No. I'll remove this boy. He might freeze him, but he's just so bad as a meat shield, and he costs a lot of money. How much? Yeah, well, it's a super rare. Of course, it's gonna cost a lot of money. That's actually not that bad. Not that bad at all. So yeah, I can just get on and yeah, so much. Alright, that's good enough. Yeah, I didn't deal with this strat. Alright, I'll just go to here and see if I can notice the specials. I'm just gonna upgrade Delinquent Cat a lot. Delinquent Cat to level 4. Alright, well, yeah, that's basically my video, guys, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. It was just a dressing video of me just addressing a thing. I might not upload for a while, so yeah, basically, that's all, guys, and see you in another video. Bye.